activity. Hi guys! This is Alisa from PSHM 3E Eve. So, mag-topic taron og the 6 disciplines of ergonomics while we are doing our makeup para sa school. What are those 6 disciplines of ergonomics? So first is the physiology. Physiology, understanding how the physical aspects of the human response of the work environment. Kanang physiology guys, of course, muna tanang sa physical kuha na to kay manabaw ta pohon need man ta og kusog. Next is psychology. So psychology understands the cognitive aspects of the human interaction in the work environment. Next is general engineering. General engineering, developing appropriate tools, facilities, and equipment designs to help reduce ergonomic problems that generally occur. And then, next is physics. Physics is using laws of science and engineering concepts to describe motion undergone by the various body segments and the forces acting on these body parts during normal daily activities and job tasks. Next is biomechanics. Biomechanics concerned with the mechanical elements of the living organisms. Occupational biomechanics deals with the mechanical and motion characteristics of the human body and its elements in the work environment. The last one is anthropometry. The anthropometry is the empirical science that attempts to define reliable physical measure of a person's size, form, and capabilities for anthropological comparison. So, that would be all, and then simple ra kaya tong look karon kay